You don't tell me to calm down.
Losing too much of the energy,
Take
right?
that face and put it on your face.
I'm gonna take your face off.
And what would it mean to win this competition? Yeah, no, it would mean a lot. I'm already a huge fan of Nicolas Cage, and this movie, it means a lot to me. I'm just here for a good time, honestly, so yeah.
Das ist exakt, wo das ist das
This is the competition over here. That is stiff competition, man. Yeah!
And for those who don't know, I have come as the new Nick Cage from the newest film, The Surfer.
The Surfer Cage!
And I have to count back, not once, not twice, but as many times as I like. But I actually have a long leg shrine in my room, so this is going to fit quite nicely. I'm not too sure where I'll put it yet, but it'll go somewhere around there.
Please, your name and your cage.
My name is Daniel, and I'm a A-Tribe of Donna from Raising Arizona.
Yeah, that's right. A prize, and there are 3 kinds of cage prizes. There's Radius Cage, which means I think probably
Put the bunny back in the box.
Not the bees! Not the bees! Killing me won't bring back your goddamn honey! I've also come as Con Air Cage.
You know what? Brothers from another mother, I love it. But
He's just such a weird, eccentric, lovable, wonderful person. And yeah, he just has a very unique acting style, and he does great movies, and yeah, he's just a very unique person.
I just think he's a great actor. I think he's been in some bad movies, but he's always good in them, so I just enjoy watching his films.
KLMNOP QRSTUVWXYNT.
all hail the high kicker himself. Peace, Valspar. We also have our Radius Cage Award, we can't forget that. And there we go. Big, who came as Longlegs and sang for us. Please. Our winners this evening are all of you.
Sorry, just all eyes here, please. Thank you.